guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena, and since the Lent season has started, I have decided to show you some eggless recipes. This is a recipe of an eggless thumbprint or jam-filled sugar cookies which are buttery and are gonna melt in your mouth. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe you require 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of caster sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and half a cup of fruit preserves or jam. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. Take the butter and the sugar in a large bowl. Make sure that your butter is in room temperature, which means that it should not be too hard or melting. Cream them together for about 2 to 3 minutes till it turns light and fluffy. Don't forget to scrape the edges of the bowl using a spatula while doing so. Add in the vanilla essence and beat it till it is combined. Gradually add the flour mixture into the butter mixture and mix it well using a spatula. Knead the dough using your hand till it comes together to form a ball. Take about 1 tablespoon of the dough and make balls of it. Place it on a baking tray greased or lined with parchment paper. Use your thumb or any other object to make a thumbprint effect on the cookies. The jam will be very thick once you take it out of the container, so stir it continuously with a spoon till it turns smooth. Here I am using Mapro mixed fruit jam. You can use the jam of your choice. Take about half a teaspoon of the jam in the center of the cookies. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Once the cookies are out of the oven, let it cool completely and then you're done with it. So this recipe makes 30 to 35 cookies. You can also dust some icing sugar over the cookies, which is totally optional. You can store these cookies in an airtight container for 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.